and welcome to Jupiter Academy. As we all know that the date has been announced for JEE exams, and in a short period of time our students will be appearing for the JEE and NEET exams. Jupiter Academy is now launching the summer learning program for students who want to learn the concepts and gain better understanding along with a scrutinized study on all the chapters. It's a 30 days crash course program for JEE and a short-term course for NEET. This course features 3 lectures in a day along with a test and a brief discussion. The course is equipped with experienced faculties in their respective subjects such as physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Full portion tests are conducted on previous year question papers and are also discussed. Jupiter Academy will provide study materials, model question papers along with a tab and a Wi-Fi dongle. I wish every student who is appearing for the exams all the best. For more details about the courses, kindly contact us at 733-8923-999 or visit us at jupitereducationacademy.com.